Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to set up your SLX DC reel. First, firmly attach the reel to your rod's reel seat. Next, carefully spool your chosen fishing line onto the reel, making sure it lays evenly across the spool. Finally, set your drag system. This crucial step ensures smooth line release when a fish pulls, preventing line breaks and helping you land your catch. The SLX DC reel's intelligent braking system is a game changer. It offers 4 distinct modes, each designed for different fishing scenarios. Mode 1 provides the least amount of braking, perfect for achieving maximum casting distance in calm conditions. Conversely, Mode 4 applies the strongest braking, which is excellent for battling strong winds or when you're casting heavier lures. Experiment to find what works best for you. Once your reel is spooled, it's time to fine-tune your casting. Start by adjusting the spool tension knob. You want just enough tension to prevent the spool from overrunning and causing backlashes. Practice casting with various lure weights to understand how each DC mode performs. Listen for that satisfying whine sound, indicating the DC system is actively managing your cast for optimal performance. To ensure your SLX DC reel lasts for many seasons, regular maintenance is key. After each use, give it a quick wipe down and periodically clean and lubricate its moving parts according to the manufacturer's guidelines. Store it in a dry, protected environment. Before you go, remember to check the description below for a link to those fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.